Thank you so much for being here. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. So we have a new subscription to unbox, as you can see from the description down below. I am really excited for this one because it combines two of my favorite things, coffee and cookies. So this is, cover up my address, the MatchMade Coffee subscription, and I think this is fantastic. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it since it is new to our channel, and then we will go through it and everything from there. So this is their gourmet box. It does always have free shipping. It is $19.95 a month, and it says coffee has finally met its match at MatchMade Coffee. Each month you'll receive a curated flight of freshly roasted international craft coffees along with perfectly flavor-paired gourmet cookies delivered to your doorstep. Forget wine and cheese, indulge in or gift this unique coffee pairing experience that keeps on giving. Speaking of gift, this would be a fantastic Mother's Day gift. I'm going to go back and look at something because I think you actually have time if you wanted to, that you could get this sent still as a Mother's Day gift. And each box includes 2 complete coffee pairings, 2 craft coffees, and it's 2 ounces each of ground coffee, and then 2 gourmet cookies. And they are 2.2 ounces each approximately. So let me go back and look at that because I believe their website even says, okay, so it says you could order today for a mid-May delivery. So that is awesome. So it may not arrive right by Mother's Day, but this I think is, I don't know a mother that doesn't need her coffee and you want to add cookies to it. Now we're talking. So again, this is $19.95 a month, free shipping. I will put a link down below if you would like to sign up. Let's get unboxing because I am ready to see what kind of coffee and cookies we got. So this is what I see when we open it here. So it looks like we've got our 2 bags of coffee, and I think this is great. I can already see that it's going to tell us about each type of coffee on the bag, which is fantastic, and the roast level. That's awesome as well. And I'm assuming the cookies are buried under the green squigglies. So let's dive in. I'm so excited to see what we've got in here. I may just have to go make myself a cup after this video. All right, so the first one I am pulling out is an organic and single origin Guatemala Nuevo, and it is a medium roast level. It says the tasting notes. These Guatemala Nuevo coffee beans are shade grown on a Guatemalan coffee farm residing on the volcanic soils of Atitlan, Fuego, and Acentenango. I'm probably butchering that and I apologize. Which helps produce a low acidity roast. The distinct chocolate and black cherry taste notes taste like this coffee was meant to always be alongside a rich and dark chocolate truffle cookie. And the MatchMade cookie is a chocolate truffle. Oh my gosh. So they are speaking to this mama right here. Absolutely. That sounds amazing. So let me find the cookie in this box. Oh, and it's the first one I grabbed. All right. Okay, so there is our cookie. And it says chocolate truffle. Oh my gosh. The dough is a decadent chocolate. It says mix-ins, Goudatard chocolate chunks, chocolate truffles with white chocolate drizzle. Oh, and this is from Cravery Cookies baked in San Diego. Are you kidding me? Coffee cookie? Yes. Drop the kids off at school, come back, make you a cup of coffee, have a cookie. Perfect way to start the day. All right, so let's get to coffee number 2. And this is an organic blend Colombian triple. And this roast level is a blend. It says dark, medium, and light. So that's interesting. Tasting notes. The Colombian triple combines 3 roasting levels to create a unique tasting experience. With light notes of vanilla blended with deeper notes of brown sugar, this roast is sure to awaken your taste buds. Combine with the maple and deliciously savory bacon pieces of the pancakes and bacon cookie to experience a true match in breakfast heaven. And the MatchMade Cookies is pancakes and bacon. A bacon cookie. Oh my gosh. You guys, do you see this? Pancakes and bacon. The dough is pancake. The mix-ins are 100% maple syrup and smoked hickory bacon. This is also from Gourmet Cookies. A bacon cookie? Done. I don't need anything else. I don't need anything else in my life. Coffee, a chocolate cookie, and a bacon cookie. A bacon cookie, y'all. A bacon cookie. Oh. Okay. My mind is blown right now. Are you serious? First of all, both of these coffees sound absolutely phenomenal, and I cannot wait to try both of them. The chocolate truffle cookie looks amazing, especially with the white chocolate drizzle. But y'all, this bacon cookie. Need I say more? You guys have got to check out MatchMade Coffee. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, MatchMade Coffee, for sending this to me for review. I do so appreciate it. And I really love the bacon cookie, if y'all couldn't tell. So I'm so excited to go make a cup of coffee and have a cookie, and I'll give you one guess on which cookie and coffee I'm gonna go for. Yep. The bacon cookie and this triple roast. I'm intrigued about the triple roast. I am really, and then talking about like the vanilla and brown sugar. This sounds amazing. So does the other one, but you got me at bacon cookie. So that is this MatchMade coffee box. Again, this is only $19.95 a month with free shipping. You can order now to get it in time or around Mother's Day. And I think, again, this would make a great gift. Coming from a mom, I'm telling you, coffee is essential. It is something that we must have. We must have it. So, let me know what you guys think down below. I think to receive 2 amazing, fresh ground, fantastic coffees and cookies to go with it for $19.95 a month delivered to your door is perfect. Because, again, being a mom is hard. Life in general now is hard, and most people have to have their coffee, but moms especially, I know, and this I'm touching on just because of Mother's Day. I think this would make a fantastic gift. So if you haven't gotten mom anything yet, definitely think about this, because from one mom's opinion, this is awesome. So let me know down below what you guys think. Please do give the video a thumbs up. It does help me out. And don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So you do want to head over and enter that if you have not already. That link will be down below. And as always, I hope you have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.